Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we will discuss about Linux file system structure and description. The Linux file system structure is a hierarchical with a single root user. Okay, so root user is having directory on the top of the directory that is called by slash. All other files and directory are containing within the root directory and organized in a tree structure. So as we are saying, Linux file system is a structure and hierarchical. So how you can see it's hierarchical or not? If you run tree command with less, we'll come to know. Okay, slash under bin, then boot. We are having under boot. These many files are available. We go down, then we are having slash dev, which is having these things available in the file system. Then we are having EOW. Then we are getting TTY, and then we are having etc, and the etc ABRT is there. Under ABRT, these are the file. Under plugin, we are having these file. So that's how it is defined. So to see this, we are using tree command, but by default this tree command is not there in the system. You have to install it using yum. Okay, like slash etc. So we are able to see slash etc only. And if I do see etc slash home tree home, will come to know. Okay, there is a home directory and this Amit user and test user home directory is there. The Amit user home directory, we are having desktop, document, and all the things available. So that's how we are saying it is a structured file system. The main directory within the root directory of a Linux system includes /bin. This directory contains binary executable files that are used by both of the system and the user. Example includes ls cat cd/bin. Under /bin, we are having all the command which is executed by the system or the normal user, like cat command. So cat is there, ls is there. And if you do ls echo is there, uptime is there, df-h is there. Sorry. And if you go if config, it will won't be there because if config is a super user command. So here you'll find normal user command as well as the system command /bin. Then if you want to see super user command, you have to go in /sbin. These are the command available which is executed by the super user only, like ln if config. See, they are able to see if config. So these are the command which is executed by the super user. The directory contains the binary executed files that are used the system administrator only, include fdisk mount and other command like ln mount. My additional files are available. And /etc, this directory contains configuration files for various system programs and services. Okay, then our next file system is /etc, /etc. So what etc contains? The directory contains configuration file for various system program and services. So whatever program we are installing the system, all the configuration file comes under /etc, like ls-l yes. So if you see, all are the Bluetooth and all the service cron. Okay, cups is a service that is used for the printer. DNS mask queue, export, firewall D, Firefox, file system. Okay, so most of the files like /etc, /etc, FSTF for file system, tc host file, resolve.conf file. So all the configuration files reside in the /etc. /lib, this directory contains library files that are used by the executions in the /bin and /bin directories. cd/dev ls-n. So what is /dev? This directory contains files that are representing devices on a system. These files are used to interact with the device, driver and other things like keyboard and a printer. Okay, so all these are the devices. Like TTY is a terminal, standard error, standard input, standard output. These are the things under /dev. Then after dev we are having /lib. Okay, that is containing all the libraries. So we'll do cd/lib. So the directory contains library files that are used by the executables in the /bin and /bin. So whatever command we are executing from bin and /bin, it's taking the data from library lib file. Okay, then /home, the directory contains the home directory of all the users in the system. Each user will have its own subdirectory within a /home directory with the same name, /home. Okay, so whatever user you are creating in a file like Linux, it will create a home directory of a user by its own name. Like you create a user Amit, so by default directory came under /home/Amit, and the permission of the directory Amit is there. Using this, user can create our like its own personalized space where he can save the data, where no other person will be able to save anything. Then we are running the /tmp. This directory is used for the temporary storage of the file. These files are often deleted by the system automatically after some time. Temporary file system cd/tmp, which save the data for a temporary purpose, and it will get automatically deleted after some time by the system itself. /usr, this directory contains user program and data that are not specified in the system, such as user application libraries. Then we are having cd/usr. So this directory contains user program and data that are not specified by the system, such as user application library. Okay, so whatever is not specified to a system, that is coming to /usr. /opt, this directory is used for the software optimization software packages that are not part of the core system. Then we are having /opt. Okay, what is opt? Because we are not able to see anything. This directory is used to store optional software packages that are not part of the core system. So if you are installing some third-party tool, that will go under opt. /proc, this is the virtual file system that contains the information about the system, processes and kernel. Then we are having a special file system called /proc. Okay, so whatever process is running will be consuming one space in a /proc, and it's a virtual file system. That means post restart your everything, whatever written into this file system got clean and new process will come. So like we are doing /proc mem info. So you'll get the memory detail, CPU info. So it's a live file system where you are saving the data, system is saving the data, and which will get deleted post restart. So it's the virtual file system. /sys, this is the virtual file system that contains information about the system, device and configuration. It's similar like to /proc. Then we are having /sys, cd/sys. Okay, let's see what's inside. It is a block devices. So this is also a virtual file system that contains information about the system, devices, configuration, similar to /proc. So /proc contains the processes, and it contains the information about the system like firmware, devices, what's the class, hypervisor is there or not, and this is also virtual. Slash media, this directory contains mount point for the removable storage device such as USB, drive, CD-ROMs. Then we are in slash media. Oh, sorry. That is slash media. So there is nothing. So why we are using media? So whenever you want to mount any file system like CD or removable device like CD and USB, you have to mount in the media. So it will quite easy to understand. We are mounting some other thing. So these are all the file system. Slash boot is also part of that, but in the boot we are not doing anything. Boot is like for booting purpose. So system wrote all the files here, we are not touching. So these are all the files like config, grub2, init, rdm. Okay, so these files are required to boot the system. So that's why we are in slash boot. These are the general structure, and depending on the Linux distribution and configuration, it might have some variations.